Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you were 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas and a painted fishing knife. I've got paint everywhere here. Where's a clock? And I have put some black paint on it, but then I not long finished a pour and I had some, as you can see there, some tip-off colours that looked rather pretty, so I thought I may as well use them, which is what I'm doing. And sticky handles. Alright, so I'm going to do a spatula swipe. I quite like these. And I've got orange, gold, red, yellow, black, and I do have some blues there if I feel inclined. I've got silicone in the gold, yellow, red and orange. So this is what I will do, and hopefully have something come up that's, oops, not too badly. Probably got too much paint here, but the spatula should wipe some of it off. And I think I will put some blue just around this outer edge. It's quite dark blue. Out of there, please. Some more black in the centre. And some gold in the centre, and so here we go. I might have to actually tilt this as well. Colours are pretty. Got too much paint on here. Going to have to lose some of it. Gold. Okay, let's tilt which way. We'll go this way first, just to be different. Did she say she had too much paint? My goodness. Take it over the edges a little bit here. This is coming up really good. Okay, now back this way, please. So now it's become totally different. Okay, and then I'll just bring it back this way, just down here a bit more. Stretch this out. There's one little blue piece there, it's rather cute. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below the video under Show More, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come and join us there. And just getting the paint off from underneath here. Okay, so I'm going to wipe my hands and put the torch on this and see. Oh, alright. I might need to tidy up in here a little bit. Don't want to get too excited. Okay, so torch. I'm nearly out of the canister too. So, I think what I might have to do here is put the rest of these colours on and swipe, because even though that's very pretty, it doesn't do a lot really. Oh, what do I need this? Oh yes, that would be good. Alright, so I'll need a little bit more yellow, perhaps. And perhaps some pouring medium. Ugh. And I think I've got enough of each of the other colours. Good-o. That's got that. So, that's a shame because I thought that would have been quite nice, but this will be just as good. And I'll do a centre swipe. Scrape this blue out. Some red. Okay. And some black. Actually, I might just do a swipe from this end. Right, so I don't need that much paper towel. Come away from there, please. Like just bring these colours along the edge here. Lacey, will you stop it please? On now. Chasing geckos. Right. So okay. I like how that blue's gone. I'll just bring that back more to even up these cells rather than have them look like they've been stretched, which they have. Okay, so, oh, so pretty. Let me put some along here. No barking. Okay, so I'll wipe my hands and what's left of the burner, I shall torch it. I like it. So I'll bring you down to take a look. You know, I think it would look good. With a bit of a starburst. Oops. So here's hoping that gold comes up nice, which it always does. Just making sure I have some down here on my little spine pieces. Here. Okay, I think I've got plenty of gold there. Maybe a bit here. Okay, I like that. So, another cloth for my hands, goodness. And then I wonder if I should get another torch in case I put air bubbles in it now. Oops, there goes that. That was good. That lasted just long enough, didn't it? Knew it was running out. Okay, so I need a new one of those as well. Alright, so I'll bring you down to take a look at this one, and I think I told you the paints and pouring medium recipes are down below under show more. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos. This one's really, really pretty. And please give it the thumbs up. I do appreciate when people give the videos a thumbs up. That murky looking, I don't know what, beigey colour is actually gold, and when it dries it it's really quite metallic and it looks like real gold. So just at the moment she's not looking the best, but once it's dry it'll be really good. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this. As I've asked, please give it the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.